Namaste, everybody. I'm just going to share with you a gratitude meditation. So let's start off by just sitting up nice and tall. I've got a pillow here to support my back, so I'm sitting up nice and tall. You can sit cross-legged or however you wish. And then just closing the eyes. Let's bring that left hand onto the upper chest, right hand onto the crown. Feeling your right hand in touch with the crown. Breathe in through your nose, out your mouth. Breathe in, release. Once more, breathe in, let it go. And then just feeling your body from within, feeling your inner energy field. Okay, let's bring that right hand now onto the navel area and massaging your upper chest, just to bring more attention to the upper chest, bringing attention to your heart center. Okay, and then closing your eyes, just moving your awareness within and reflecting on the last couple of days. Think of moments, think of experiences that brought you great gratitude and appreciation. Just replay them in your mind. And then saying thank you, thank you, thank you for those moments, thank you for those experiences. And then let's give gratitude to our beautiful bodies, to every cell of your body, to the organs, to the blood, to the bones, to the muscles, to your entire body. Just saying thank you, thank you, thank you. Sending love and gratitude to your body. And giving gratitude for everything that you have in your life. From family, friends, loved ones, to the roof over your head, to food that you have to eat, to people that love you. Just saying thank you, thank you, thank you. And then giving gratitude to our planet where we live, to this beautiful planet. To all the creatures, to the sun, to the moon, to the stars, to all the gifts we receive from her, our food, fresh air we breathe. Just saying thank you, thank you, thank you. To Mother Earth. And giving gratitude for the gift of life and for the fact that you exist. And just saying to yourself, just a little prayer, just saying to yourself, the beauty of nature I live with, the beauty of nature I live by, and the beauty of nature upon which I base my life. Take a deep breath in through your nose. Deep sigh. Breathe in. Release. Once more, breathe in. And let it go. And just feel any change that it's made within your body. Just make a mental note on how this energy feels. So you can bring it throughout your day. Thank you. And just open the eyes now and just notice how you feel after you can feel shifts and changes that have been made within your energy body. So thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed that. Please remember to subscribe to my channel if you enjoy these videos, and like and share and comment. Let me know how it goes. Thanks so much. Namaste.